Hanafi Pamuji from TBI-C.
Hi, my name is Tuti Sopiyah. I'm from TBI-C.
Hello, my name is Naila Ulfa. I'm from TBI-C.
Okay guys, we will go to Bali for KKL and
Our first destination is Pare.
see you! Okay guys, this is our first destination and now we are in HEC1 or Happy English course in Pare, Kediri. In here, we are learn how to teach English effectively with a footage. So, see you!
In Happy English Course 1 or HEC, there we are, gathered by the director of HEC1, namely Mr. Wahyu Kurnia SPD, in one room together. After the opening ceremony, we were divided to 5 groups, each group accompanied by a HEC mentor. The unique thing there is that each room is called as an island in Indonesia, such as the Java room, the Sulawesi room, and the others. In the class, we learned one of the fun methods that was applied in learning at HEC1. This method teaches you how to easily learn grammar, speaking, and listening skill. The media that was used in this method is a color card, such as a blue card, yellow card, and others. In the class, some students are appointed to come forward and apply the teaching method to other friends in the class.
Okay, so for our next destination is Green School Bali. In this area, there's a unique setting. There's a natural class, so let's check it out.
In Green School, we are given a tour around a very large area, and the area consists of several sectors such as Turtle House, Balai Sangkep, Kitchen Lab, High School Classroom, Kindergarten, Bamboo Bridge, Gymnasium, Livestock, and Heart of School, which are used as symbols from the Green School logo itself, etc. There is also a bamboo curtain that we can feel with 5 senses. Then, there is a pillars in the Heart of School area that engraved with the names of philanthropists that visited Green School. In Green School, there is also a biobus with fueled by waste cooking oil from nearby restaurant.
So we're here in Pandawa. How's you feeling?
It's great because ya kayak still sepi. What is sepi?
It's quiet.
It's quiet
Not
because
crowded.
people come here because we come here first, then we go to Yelp.
Close the camera. Look at. So, couple birds, white people around here, quite hot, and then
The wave is so
the wave is so high.
high.
We don't even can touch here because our shoes.
No, I use sandal.
Really?
Yes, I use sandal. No, because I know it will be hard for me to use shoes in beach.
Look at that side. Okay. So we're here in IALF in Bali. So there are three ILF in Indonesia, in Jakarta, Serpong, and Bali. So this is the Bali's IALF, Indonesia Australia Language Federation, is non-profit organization for English education, high English education in Indonesia. One of the best is here in Bali. So we have done our little basic learning from the teacher right here, and then the people is hanging around like this, and that's it. That was our teacher. Thanks.
Our next visit is IALF, the location at Sesetan, South Denpasar, Bali. The KKL team had the opportunity to attend teacher training led by Mr. Mark Hin from Scotland in the class visit. The KKL team had the opportunity to get material on how to deal with a class with a large number of students. Mr. Mark pointed out some of the problem faced as well as solutions. One way is to create small group in the learning forum. This method is considered effective in building learning in the classes with large audience. Next, Mr. Mark makes the students who have been grouped talk to each other and discuss the problem that have been determined. Then, they will be asked one by one about what they found after the discussion. He also explained about the strength weakness of classes with large audience. Last, he also provides solutions to the problem faced.